Certainly. Here's a list of top 20 AngularJS projects for final year engineering students, along with brief overviews. 1. E-commerce website. Build a dynamic e-commerce platform using AngularJS, featuring product listings, shopping carts, secure payments, and user profiles. 2. Task management application. Develop a task management app with AngularJS, allowing users to create, assign, prioritize, and track tasks in real time. 3. Real-time chat application. Create a responsive chat app using AngularJS and Firebase, enabling users to exchange messages instantly with friends or colleagues. 4. Social media. Dashboard. Design a social media dashboard with AngularJS for monitoring and analyzing engagement metrics across multiple platforms. 5. Online booking system. Develop an online booking system using AngularJS for scheduling appointments, reservations, and event bookings. 6. Blogging platform. Build a customizable blogging platform with AngularJS, allowing users to create, publish, and share blog posts with rich text formatting and media embedding. 7. Recipe sharing website. Create a platform for sharing and discovering recipes using AngularJS, complete with search functionality, recipe categories, and user ratings. 8. Project management tool. Develop a collaborative project management tool with AngularJS, enabling teams to plan, track progress, and communicate effectively. 9. Weather forecast application. Build a weather forecast app using AngularJS and an API like OpenWeatherMap, providing real-time weather updates and forecasts for locations worldwide. 10. Music playlist manager. Design a music playlist manager with AngularJS, allowing users to create, edit, and organize playlists from their favorite music tracks. 11. Expense tracker. Develop an expense tracker app using AngularJS to monitor spending, categorize expenses, and generate financial reports. 12. Fitness tracker dashboard. Create a dashboard for tracking fitness goals, workouts, and progress using AngularJS and fitness APIs like Fitbit or Google Fit. 13. Job search portal. Build a job search portal with AngularJS, enabling users to search and apply for job listings, save searches, and receive job alerts. 14. Online quiz application. Develop an interactive quiz app using AngularJS, featuring timed quizzes, multiple choice questions, and scoring mechanisms. 15. To-do list application. Design a simple yet effective to-do list app with AngularJS, allowing users to add, edit, and delete tasks with ease. 16. Inventory management system. Create an inventory management system using AngularJS for tracking stock levels, orders, and product details in real time. 17. Polling and survey platform. Build a polling and survey platform with AngularJS, allowing users to create, share, and analyze surveys and poll responses. 18. Recipe recommendation engine. Develop a recipe recommendation engine using AngularJS and machine learning algorithms to suggest personalized recipes based on user preferences. 19. Library management system. Design a library management system with AngularJS for cataloging books, managing memberships, and tracking loan transactions. 20. Travel planner application. Create a travel planner app using AngularJS, allowing users to plan trips, explore destinations, and organize travel itineraries.